Director Ashish Ji Garde, Ram sir, I request you to please come on the dais. Ambadas Ji, please. Sir, very warm welcome and thank you for giving us the time to Magic for the inauguration of its newly renovated office. I would first request our directors of Magic to please felicitate Honorable Subhash Ji Desai. Jaju Ji, please come on the dais. I request all the Magic directors to please come forward and felicitate Honorable Subhash Ji Desai. Sunil Bhai, Milind Ji, Kedar, Ashish Garde, and myself. Sir, we are following the same trend which CMI follows. हम बुके नहीं देते हैं, बट वो बुके का खर्चा हम किसी स्टार्टअप इंक्यूबेटर को देते हैं. Sir, Magic is India's first regional industry association-led sector-agnostic incubator and SME accelerator. We have about 4,000 plus students, faculty, startups, and MSMEs to whom we are connected. Till date, we have had 133 plus webinars, workshops, seminars. We have 34 plus startups incubated already. Now, to give the concept note of with what Magic started, I would request Ashish Garde to please give the concept of Magic.
सर्वांचं मॅजिक आणि सीएमआयच्या वतीने मी स्वागत करतो. मी सुरुवातीला माननीय उद्योग मंत्री सुभाषजी देसाई यांना धन्यवाद देतो की त्यांनी त्यांच्या एवढ्या व्यस्त काळात सुद्धा त्यांनी जो आम्हाला शब्द दिला होता तो पाळला आहे आणि या उद्घाटनाच्या कार्यक्रमाला ते इथे उपस्थित झालेले आहेत. खूप मनपूर्वक धन्यवाद सर. अंबादास दानवेंचं मी स्वागत करतो. ते नेहमीच वेगवेगळ्या इनिशिएटिव्हना मदत करत असतात. या निमित्ताने औरंगाबादचे जिल्हाधिकारी यांच्याशी सुद्धा आम्हाला संवाद साधण्याची संधी मिळाली आहे. मी सुनील चव्हाण सरांचं सुद्धा इथे स्वागत करतो. जाजू सर आमचे मार्गदर्शक आहेत. राम गोखले सर सुद्धा आमचे मार्गदर्शक आहेत. ते आमच्या परिवारातलेच आहेत, त्यामुळे त्यांचं स्वागत करण्याची मी फॉर्मॅलिटी करणार नाही. व्हेरी क्विकली आय विल ब्रीफ यू रिगार्डिंग द जर्नी ऑफ मॅजिक. CMI for last almost 20 years is actively engaged in industry institute interactions, and while we were having many programs and activities connected with academic institutions, we always felt the need of having a permanent platform wherein we can engage with academic institutions and promote innovations. This need was quite evident in 2013-14 when we had conducted one big innovation summit when Milind Kanji was the president of CMI, and at that point of time we resolved that we will have some permanent platform, and we were in search of such permanent platform. We were interacting with GIZ for two interventions. One was for innovation and one was for skilling. While we were interacting with GIZ, we came across the concept of incubator, and GIZ helped us to build the India's first regional industry association-led sector-agnostic incubator. We are very proud of that because there are many such firsts to the credit of this city, and this incubator is also one such thing. When we decided to establish this incubator, we visited most of the leading incubators in the country. We understood what kind of practices, policies they follow, what kind of infrastructure they have, and we finally set up a Section 8 company by the name Marathwada Accelerator for Growth and Incubation Council. The short form is MAGIC, and it is really doing magic, as Ritesh has just now narrated the numbers on various fronts. Basically, we are supporting the startups in all sectors, all domains, irrespective of the age of the innovator, irrespective of the academic background of the innovator, irrespective of their idea and irrespective of their stage. and this kind of structure only Magic is following in the country. And we have eminent industrialists who have got 25 or 30 plus years of rich experience, and they are acting as mentors. And this mentorship is completely pro bono basis. So that is the rich power bank of mentors which attract talent all across the country. Since pandemic, we are in touch with more than 138 startups all across the country, and we are supporting them virtually. So this is a very indeed proud moment for us, and we are delighted that Industries Minister has inaugurated our office. This was our long cherished desire, which he has fulfilled today. So I won't take much of time because we have to listen to Subhash Desai sir's views and guidance. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashish ji. Sir, like I was telling, we do a Saturday mentoring clinic. हम लोग हर शनिवार को मेंटर्स यहाँ 10:30 से 1 बजे तक रहते हैं, और वॉक इन भी जिसको भी आना है, सो हम लोग बोलते हैं जिसके पास में आइडिया है वो लाइए, एंड वी विल टेक इट टू द टाइम यू स्टार्ट पेइंग इनकम टैक्स. So that's the mentoring level of mentoring which we are doing. Sir, we have few felicitations, people who have contributed to us. First of all, CMI, you can see, sir, it is CMI by Magic. Magic by CMI. So, we thank Jaju ji, who is the current president, Girdhar ji Sanganeria, past president, and Kamlesh ji Dhoot, our past president, who has helped us build the facility. जाजू जी, वैसे तो आप हमारे हैं, बट आपका सत्कार करना और आपको धन्यवाद अदा करना हमारी ख्वाहिश है. So I request Honorable Minister to please felicitate Jaju ji. And again, this is only a innovative concept. This is a book which will help CMI also grow. We all know Ram sir is a philanthropist. Ram sir हमेशा औरंगाबाद के लिए सबकी मदद करते रहते हैं. So Ram sir was the first person, AITG Umasins, to give us their CSR fund to Magic. I request Honorable Minister to please felicitate Ram sir. Sir, ऐसे ही Tata Technologies in HDFC Bank also has felicitated, given us their CSR fund. We have Mr. Abhijit from HDFC Bank. Abhijit, please come forward. Respected sir, we request you to please felicitate Abhijit on behalf of HDFC Bank. We are the only one of the 15 innovators in the country who have received CSR fund from HDFC Bank. Thank you, Abhijit. सर, ये इतनी अच्छी वास्तु जो आपको दिख रही है, ये हमारे आर्किटेक्ट है योगेश जी देवड़ा, जो औरंगाबाद से ही है, उन्होंने बनाया है और 60 डेज में हमको तैयार करके दिया है. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर टू प्लीज फेलिसिटेट आवर आर्किटेक्ट योगेश जी देवड़ा. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. सर, द स्टेज इज सेट and the mic is all yours. We'll cut the program short, we'll keep it short, but we want to hear, your words of wisdom.
मॅजिकच्या उद्घाटन प्रसंगी माझ्यासोबत इथे उपस्थित असलेले माननीय आमदार अंबादासजी जानवे, आपले जिल्हा प्रमुख, जिल्हा अधिकारी, आम्हाला पक्षाच्या भाषेत आम्ही प्रमुख म्हणतो, ते तसे प्रमुखच आहेत, माननीय जिल्हाधिकारी सुनील चव्हाण साहेब, श्री आशिष गद्दे, राम भोगले साहेब, जादूजी, सर्वच मान्यवर, उपस्थित बंधूंनो, भगिनी, सर्वप्रथम मी CMIचे मनापासून धन्यवाद देतो, त्यांना अभिनंदन करतो की एक चांगला उपक्रम केलेला आहे. ही मंडळी स्वतःच्या उद्योगामध्ये यशस्वी झाली, पण केवळ स्वतःच्या यशामध्ये मशगूल होऊन न राहता किंवा त्या यशाची फळं उपभोगण्यामध्ये दंग न होता इतरांना कसा हात द्यायचा आणि इतरांची काळजी कशी घ्यायची यासाठी काम करतायत. सो देअर पॅशन बियॉन्ड देअर ओन बिझनेस इज रिअली समथिंग आय मस्ट सॅल्यूट. People need mentoring, and here the magic is playing the real magic. It is not a magic. It is Marathwada Council for Incubation and Growth. Marathwada Accelerator for Incubation and Growth and Incubation Council, that is magic full form. But this is the need of the newcomers. They come out with brilliant ideas. However, their ideas get dried up in many cases because they don't find any ray of hope. They don't see any path ahead. And here a mentor is required, and our association has rose up to the cause, and they have created this council. It is really the real meaning of association. Association for what? They are pursuing their own issues. They are fighting for justice. They are trying to resolve the issues. They pursue and follow with the government authorities. That is okay. That is for their own businesses, their members' businesses, and their common issues. But at the same time, they are also devoting their time, their talent, their experience for the upliftment of newcomers, to encourage them, support them, and take them to the next level. With this innovation center, I am sure many newcomers will find themselves at one level which is beyond their imagination. They don't know where they are reaching. But the time will come, many of you will be at the top of the world. Today we hear the success stories of Facebook, WhatsApp, and whatnot. What they were? They were small startups, very small, negligible. But one fantastic idea, which was appreciated by others. It is not the story which cannot get complete unless somebody else likes it. He accepts it. But those innovators, they were welcome and appreciated by others who are strong enough to extend their helping hand to the newcomers, and we see the change. Now, world's capital market is commanded by these people who were earlier startups. They are successful. We see the shine of their success. But in the beginning, they were so little, so small. Somebody came forward, helped them, supported them, extended their helping hand, and we could see the change. This is going to happen with each one of you. I also like the ideas of the people working in this incubation center. The ideas to work in field of agriculture, in healthcare, and the small issues faced by common citizens. things and issues and the questions faced by the citizens, you are concentrating, you are focusing how to find solutions to these long pending issues. And I think this is the real service greater than any government can render. And there are people who want to support you. We see that this incubation center is supported by none less than group of Tatas, HDFC Bank, and so on. So we don't have to worry about the potential supports. That is bound to happen. That is bound to come. You have to pursue your dream. A dream is a thing. We get dream when we are sleeping, but it cannot be brought to reality unless we hark when we are awake. That is what exactly you are doing, and CMIA is promoting. So, thanks to CMIA, and I welcome you youngsters here who are confident. You are just not trying. You are confident of the success of your idea. So, it's a great dream. You are looking, your dreams will be realized soon, and that is the real satisfaction, happiness for these gentlemen. Thank you very much. Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you very much for your words, and I hope all the incubators will take it, forward, and they will prove that they can change the country. Sir, I'll just give some updates very quickly. The total magic revenue which has been generated till date by this incubators is about 4 crore rupees. They have created about 60 plus jobs. इन लोगों ने 60 नए लोगों को काम दिया है. और सर हम लोग करीब करीब इस साल हमने अभी तक 1 करोड़ का सीड फंडिंग इन सब अलग अलग कंपनीज में इन्वेस्ट किया है. We have Honorable Collector Sir and Honorable MLA Dhanve ji. I request Sunil Bhai to please give a token of love to Honorable Collector Sir, and I request Kedar to please give a token of love to Ambadas ji Dhanve, Honorable MLA. सर हम लोग हर साल एक इनोवेशन चैलेंज रखते हैं. इस बार चौथा साल है. करीब 1000 प्लस एंट्रीज आती है पूरे हिंदुस्तान से, और इस बार की थीम है इनोवेट फॉर इंडिया चैलेंज. सो वी एक्सपेक्ट द सेम. ऑलरेडी 300 प्लस एंट्रीज हैव रिसीव्ड. आई रिक्वेस्ट केदार टू प्लीज क्विकली प्लेस द वोट ऑफ थैंक्स.
नमस्कार. आपले उद्योग मंत्री श्री सुभाषजी देसाई साहेब यांचे मनपूर्वक आभार. वेळात वेळ काढून ते आपल्या कार्यक्रमासाठी इथे आले आणि आपल्याला प्रोत्साहनपर 2 शब्द सांगितले, त्याबद्दल त्यांचे धन्यवाद. आमदार श्री अंबादासजी दानवे सर यांचे पण मनपूर्वक आभार. आपले जिल्हाधिकारी श्री सुनील चव्हाण सर यांचे पण आभार. सीएमआय अध्यक्ष जादू साहेब यांचे आभार. आपले ज्येष्ठ उद्योजक राम साहेब बोगले यांचे आपल्याला कायम मार्गदर्शन राहतेच, त्यांचे पण आभार. सर्व सीएमआयचे आजी माजी पदाधिकारी यांचे आभार. मॅजिक साठी त्यांनी आम्हाला ही जागा मिळवून दिली, त्यामुळे आमचं काम बरंच सोपं आणि जलद गतीने पुढे सरकायला मदत होईल. सीएसआर सपोर्ट करणाऱ्या सर्व सीएसआर कंपन्यांचे आभार. एचडीएफसी बँक किंवा टाटा टेक्नॉलॉजीज यांनी आम्हाला बरंच मदत केल्यामुळे आपण हा प्रोग्राम बराच पुढे नेऊ शकतो. MIDC, MSINS, MSME यांचा सपोर्ट असल्यामुळेच मॅजिक हे या लेवलला आलेलं आहे, आणि त्यांच्या सपोर्ट शिवाय हे आपण पुढे जाऊ शकत नाही. आपण सर्व इथे आलात व प्रोग्रामला शोभा दिली त्याबद्दल आपले धन्यवाद.